Yo, so we out here, Knicks reveal. We got the C7, my bad. Damn, on the Stickly Mickleys, that's fire. Oh, we got a 5-0 on the Stickly Mickleys. God damn. B58. I don't know if you guys can see, clean F80. Bro, this is something shot at GTA. We got 2 bikes. Pretty sure they're fast. What color is it? Let me guess, it's black? Excuse me? Excuse me? Oh, fuck, is the line? Dude, that's fire. It's Is it Laguna Seca? That is Laguna Seca. Sheesh. Fire. Damn, that's fire. Straight out of Need for Speed. Damn. On the Airhans, that's fucking sick. Yeah, she's cute. Damn, we got a Camaro back here, half disassembled. Don't even know what that is. That's how different tax bracket. McLeasy. Damn, look at this thing. This thing's funny. I don't even know what it is. But they made her look bad. Look at that. That's my girl and I don't feed her. F80. I'm a ghetto iPhone YouTuber, so the lighting kind of sucks. Jeez. GT3. GT4, I think. I don't know. Damn. This is my section right here. Got C7, C6. Oh, it's a ZR1.